So finally, my Vanquish VS410 Pro has arrived. I just actually got it inside and I'm gonna unbox it right now. And here it is, guys. This thing is so cool. I'm sure you've seen other videos out there, but this is a 1/10 scale, high performance, 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle kit. And it features the new VFD transmission, which I'm very excited to try out. On the side of the box, you can actually see the red motor, how low it sits. So it puts a lot of that weight at the bottom, the weight of the motor, and really helps out with performance. There are two models. You got the VS410, the clear, and you also have a black. The axles would be either the silver look or the black look. I just like the way the silver looks, the clear version, so I went with that. And on the inside, here are the axles, everything individually wrapped, wheels and tires, the VS410 half cab, various parts bags, these are the front bumpers, transmission gears, all the links are in here, some interior pieces, and the frame rails. All the bags are marked real nice, makes it real easy to follow along with the instructions, and all of the pieces look very nice. Wheels and tires are the same as the VS410. I think the foams are a little different if I'm not mistaken from what I heard. The originals were really tough to get the bead lock onto the wheel. I think with the foams it's going to be a little easier this time around. On the body, the Lexan is nice and thick, doesn't feel flimsy at all. And the interior kind of just fits up underneath. The bed of the truck is back here and it'll kind of just show through once you get everything put into place. Should make it pretty easy to get this all painted up. Not really sure what color I'm going to go with. I was thinking about a blue and white maybe, but I don't know. I'll have to think about it some more. The manual is very good, very detailed. Talks about everything that you need to complete the kit. The illustrations are great, real easy to follow along with, and the way the bags are labeled, everything else, it's really not a hard build. The shocks on this do come pre-assembled. These are the Incision shocks. Your gears are nice and heavy duty, metal of course. The bumpers on this are plastic. They feel like a heavy plastic though, nice and thick, very rigid. The side rails are also plastic on the VS410, the original. These were aluminum. Although they are plastic, they are nice and thick, very rigid, not easily bendable. Some things that I picked up to complete this build. I'm going to be using a Tiken RX4 ESC. I have the Spectrum SR6000T receiver. This is a 6-channel receiver with telemetry. I have a Rock 412. This is the element-proof crawler motor. And I went with a 3100 kV. And of course this is censored. I picked up these lights from PowerShift RC. These are 10mm for the front, 5 for the rear. I use these on the VS410. Plenty bright, great light kit. So I'm going to be using these to give the VS410 Pro some lights. And to steer everything, I picked up a Tiken servo. This is the Tiken T440. Comes with an aluminum servo horn. This thing is plenty beefy, might actually be overkill, but I know it's a great servo. It is adjustable. Looking forward to trying this out. And the last thing I picked up is from Traxxas. It's the receiver box. It's just to help keep the receiver dry. Just a standard black box. It's got the inputs kind of to the side here, the inlet, part number 5624, and this will just help protect the receiver. Alright guys, so that's about it. Looking forward to getting this thing started, getting this thing built, and I'll try to update as much as I can. So as always, if you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.